Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. If you are connected a USB flash drive to your Android or any Samsung phone and you see this message, read only USB storage added. This storage are read only because it uses the NTFS format. At the time you can't able to copy the files from USB drive to phone or phone to USB drive. So in this video I will explain exact why this happened and I will show you the best way to fix it. So first you need to know why this problem happened. The problem is not your USB drive, it is NTFS file system. Most Android phone include Samsung devices can read NTFS drive but they cannot write to them. That means you can open the file and you can easily able to access the file, but you can't copy the file from phone to supported USB storage. That's why Android phone mod the USB drive as a read only. At that time guys, connect your USB pen drive to your PC and then backup your all important file on your PC, and then you need to format your USB pen drive. Open this PC, right click on your USB pen drive, choose the format option, and from here you need to select ex-FAT32 or FAT32 for maximum compatibility. Select this, click on start and format your USB drive. After formatting, disconnect your USB pen drive from your laptop and then reconnect it to your Android phone, and then it will 100% start working and the error message will gone from your Android phone, as you can see guys. So that's how you can easily able to fix this kind of issue. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this short and simple video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, and I will see you in the next one.